Transforming your home doesn't have to mean spending a fortune or taking on overwhelming projects. Small, affordable upgrades can have a surprisingly big impact, allowing you to refresh your space and boost its appeal without breaking the bank. Did you know homeowners spent $463 billion on renovations in the first quarter of 2024? While large-scale projects are popular, many people overlook the power of budget-friendly changes to deliver equally impressive results. This video shares 21 simple yet impactful ideas that can help you achieve a noticeable transformation without breaking the bank. These upgrades are easy to implement, cost-effective, and suitable for a range of spaces. Yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Number 1. Repaint your walls. A fresh coat of paint can completely change the mood of any room. Neutral tones like whites, beiges, or light grays are perfect for creating a modern and spacious feel. For a bolder look, consider adding an accent wall in a vibrant shade to create visual interest. Painting is one of the most affordable upgrades, with costs averaging $20 to $50 per gallon, and it's a project that can easily be done on your own. Make sure to choose high-quality paint for a long-lasting and professional finish. Number 2. Upgrade cabinet hardware. Replacing old cabinet knobs and handles is an inexpensive way to instantly update your kitchen or bathroom. Choose finishes like brushed nickel, matte black, or polished brass for a stylish and modern touch. With hardware available for as little as $100 to $5 per piece, this change offers excellent value for the money. Installing the new hardware is a simple process requiring only a screwdriver, making it an ideal DIY task. Pairing updated hardware with clean, decluttered surfaces will further enhance the refreshed look. Number 3. Install peel and stick wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper is a great option for adding color, texture, or pattern to your walls without the commitment of traditional wallpaper. It works well on accent walls, in small spaces, or even on furniture for a creative touch. With prices starting at $25 to $40 per roll, it's an affordable and removable solution for renters or those who like to change designs frequently. Choose designs that complement your existing decor to ensure a cohesive look. Always clean and prepare the surface for a smooth application. Number 4. Enhance lighting fixtures. Modern lighting fixtures can significantly improve the ambience and functionality of your home. Swap out outdated designs with more contemporary options, such as pendant lights, chandeliers, or sleek flush mounts. Affordable lighting fixtures start at $20 and are widely available in styles that match various design preferences. For added energy efficiency, consider using LED bulbs, which last longer and reduce electricity costs. Updated lighting not only brightens your space, but also adds a stylish finishing touch. Number 5. Organize and declutter. A clean, clutter-free space feels more inviting and visually appealing. Start by sorting through items and deciding what to keep, donate, or discard. Storage bins, baskets, and drawer organizers make it easy to keep belongings in order. Decluttering also allows you to highlight your favorite decor and furnishings, letting your personal style shine. Creating designated storage spaces ensures that your home stays tidy and functional. Number 6. Add crown molding. Crown molding gives rooms a sophisticated and polished appearance by adding detail where walls meet ceilings. It's available in a variety of materials, including wood, foam, and PVC, with pre-made options that are lightweight and easy to install. Painting the molding before attaching it ensures a clean and uniform finish. A small investment in this upgrade can dramatically improve the overall look of your home, creating a seamless and elegant transition between walls and ceilings. Number 7. Create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a fantastic way to showcase personal photos, artwork, or decorative prints while adding visual interest to your space. Use a mix of frame sizes and finishes for a curated yet cohesive look. Affordable frames can be found at thrift stores or online, and you can print artwork at home to save costs. Plan your arrangement on the floor first to ensure proper spacing and alignment. A well-organized gallery wall serves as an eye-catching focal point and conversation starter. Number 8. Install floating shelves. Floating shelves are practical and stylish additions that can improve organization while displaying decor items. They work well in living rooms, kitchens, or bathrooms to hold books, plants, or toiletries. With options starting at $15 to $30, floating shelves are a budget-friendly choice for decluttering and enhancing your space. Secure the shelves properly with wall anchors to ensure stability and safety. Coordinate the color or material of the shelves with your room's overall design for a balanced look. Number 9. Update window treatments. New window treatments can transform a room, adding warmth, privacy, and style. Consider switching to Roman shades, airy curtains, or textured blinds to match your decor. Budget-friendly options start at $25 per panel, offering a wide range of materials and patterns to suit any taste. Installing curtain rods higher than the window frame creates the illusion of taller ceilings, making the room feel larger. Opt for light-filtering fabrics for a soft and inviting ambience. Number 10. Replace switch plates and outlet covers. Updating old or discolored switch plates and outlet covers is an easy way to give your home a cleaner, more modern look. These small details often go unnoticed, but they can make a big difference in creating a polished appearance. Decorative options in metallic finishes or unique designs add a subtle touch of sophistication. Standard replacements cost as little as $1 to $5, making this upgrade highly affordable. Make sure to turn off the power before removing and replacing any covers for safety. Number 11. Add area rugs. A well-placed area rug can define a space and add warmth and texture to any room. Rugs work especially well in open floor plans, creating a sense of separation between different areas like the living room and dining room. Affordable options range between $50 to $150 and are available in a variety of patterns, materials, and sizes. Choose a rug that complements your furniture and color scheme for a cohesive look. To prevent slipping, use a rug pad for added safety and comfort. Number 12. Refresh your front door. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A fresh coat of paint in a bold color like red, navy, or black can make a strong statement and boost curb appeal. Upgrading the door hardware, such as handles or knockers, adds a touch of elegance. Exterior paint is durable and costs about $30 to $50 per gallon, while stylish hardware starts around $25. A well-maintained entrance creates a welcoming and memorable impression. Number 13. Add plants and greenery. Incorporating plants into your home design brings life and vibrancy to any space. Houseplants like pothos, snake plants, or succulents are low-maintenance options that improve air quality and require minimal care. Budget-friendly choices are widely available at garden centers or online, with prices starting at $5 to $20. Pair your plants with decorative pots or stands to enhance their visual appeal. Place them near windows for natural light and a fresh, inviting atmosphere. Number 14. Upgrade bathroom fixtures. Replacing outdated bathroom fixtures, such as faucets, shower heads, or towel bars, can modernize your space without a full renovation. Water-saving fixtures are both stylish and practical, helping to reduce utility costs while adding functionality. With prices starting around $30, these updates are easy to install and widely available in sleek designs. Coordinating the finish of all fixtures, such as chrome or matte black, creates a cohesive and polished look. This small investment can greatly improve the bathroom's overall feel. Number 15. Install a backsplash. Adding a backsplash is a practical way to enhance the look of kitchens or bathrooms while protecting walls from moisture and stains. Peel and stick backsplashes or affordable tiles are great options for budget-conscious homeowners, with costs starting at $50. Subway tiles offer a timeless and versatile style that complements various design themes. Preparing the surface and using proper tools ensures a smooth and professional installation. This upgrade combines functionality and style in a cost-effective way. Number 16. Use mirrors to expand space. Mirrors are an excellent design tool for making a room feel brighter and more spacious. They reflect natural and artificial light, creating the illusion of a larger area. Large mirrors or clusters of smaller ones work well in hallways, bedrooms, and living rooms. Affordable mirrors start at $20 and come in various shapes and frame styles to suit different aesthetics. For maximum impact, Place mirrors near windows or light sources to amplify brightness. Number 17. Add smart home features. Smart home devices bring convenience and energy efficiency to your living space. Options like smart plugs, thermostats, or Wi-Fi-enabled light bulbs allow you to control appliances and lighting remotely. These devices are easy to install and can start as low as $25, making them an accessible upgrade. Many options are compatible with voice assistants, adding an extra layer of functionality. Energy-saving features can also help reduce monthly utility bills over time. Number 18. Paint or refinish furniture. Giving old furniture a fresh look is a cost-effective way to transform your home. Painting wooden chairs, tables, or dressers in trendy colors like sage green or navy blue adds personality to your space. Chalk paint is a popular choice for its smooth finish and vintage charm, while wood stain revitalizes natural tones. Supplies for this project typically cost $20 to $40, depending on the size of the piece. Sanding the surface beforehand ensures better adhesion and a professional finish. Number 19. Update your bedding. Refreshing your bedding instantly improves the look and feel of your bedroom. Choose new comforters, sheets, or duvet covers in calming tones or bold patterns to suit your style. Budget-friendly options start at $30 and are widely available in high-quality materials like cotton or microfiber. Layering with decorative pillows and throws adds texture and coziness. Coordinating the bedding with the room's color palette ties the design together seamlessly. Number 20. Create DIY artwork. Personalized artwork adds a unique and creative touch to your walls without the expense of store-bought pieces. Canvas, paints, and other basic supplies cost between $10 to $30 and allow for limitless customization. Abstract designs, geometric patterns, or stenciled quotes are popular and easy options. For inspiration, look to your existing decor and color scheme to guide your choices. Displaying your handmade pieces adds character and a sense of accomplishment to your space. Number 21. Upgrade door handles and knobs. Replacing door handles and knobs is a simple way to give your home a more modern and cohesive look. Stylish options, such as matte black or brushed nickel finishes, are available starting at $10 per piece. This small upgrade can be applied to all interior doors, closets, and cabinets for consistency throughout your home. Installation is straightforward and requires minimal tools, making it a quick and effective change. Matching the style of the hardware to your home's aesthetic enhances the overall design. Transform your home today. Small, affordable changes can have a big impact on the look and feel of your home. Each of the 21 upgrades offers a practical and stylish way to refresh your space without overspending. Thoughtful improvements can enhance comfort, boost functionality, and reflect your personal style. Start with 1 or 2 projects that excite you most and see how they transform your home. Your dream home is closer than you think, one upgrade at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.